Certified Kubernetes Administrator, Fast-Track Study Plan.
Looking to accelerate your journey to becoming a certified Kubernetes administrator? This guide outlines a focused, step-by-step approach to help you efficiently prepare for the CKA exam. Whether you have a DevOps background or are new to Kubernetes, you'll find practical tips to master essential skills and complete the certification with confidence.
Understand the CKA exam structure.
Start by learning the structure of the CKA exam. The test is performance-based, meaning you'll complete hands-on tasks in a real Kubernetes environment. Key domains include cluster architecture, workloads, services, storage, and troubleshooting. Focus your study plan on these topics and review the official exam curriculum to set clear priorities from the beginning.
Master core Kubernetes concepts.
Dedicate time to understanding core Kubernetes objects and workflows. Study how to deploy pods, services, and deployments, manage namespaces, and use configuration files with YAML. Practice creating, updating, and troubleshooting resources using kubecommand. Strong command line skills and understanding of manifests are critical for navigating the exam efficiently.
Practice hands-on labs and scenarios.
Hands-on experience is essential. Use Kubernetes playgrounds, cloud labs, or your own test clusters to complete real-world scenarios. Focus on tasks like setting up clusters, managing RBAC permissions, configuring storage, and dealing with failed pods. Simulate exam conditions by timing yourself and working through multiple tasks back-to-back.
Review, refine, and take practice exams.
In your final prep phase, take full-length practice exams to gauge your readiness. Identify weak areas, revisit official documentation, and refine your kube control speed and accuracy. Make use of resources like exam checklists and time management strategies to maximize your performance on test day.
Summary and success tips.
Stay focused, practice smart, and trust your preparation. The CKA exam rewards hands-on skills and familiarity with real Kubernetes environments. By following this fast-track plan, reinforcing your knowledge through practice, and managing your time well during the exam, you'll be well equipped to achieve your CKA certification.